Hello and welcome back to the Coralogix DataPrime Academy course. In our last module, we introduced DataPrime and how it transforms observability, turning search into real-time analytics and enabling a true conversation with your data. Today, we're zooming out to look at the bigger picture, how observability practices evolve and where your team fits on that journey. So here we have the observability maturity model. Most teams go through 3 key stages as they mature. They usually begin at the reactive observability level 1. You respond when things break. We then have proactive observability level 2s and 3s, where you detect patterns and prevent issues. We then have level 4, which we call creative observability, where you're using observability to guide business decisions. So this journey isn't just about tools, it's a shift in mindset, methodology, and impact. Let's take a closer look at each stage and how DataPrime helps you move forward. Let's take a look at this reactive column. This is where most teams start. The mindset is where monitoring is like a safety net, sometimes something that you only check when things go wrong. So the behaviors here are things like searching logs by session ID or the error message, error code after the alerts fire. You're getting answers, yes, but only after the problem happens. So this stage, it's not that this stage is bad, it's just limited. And traditional tools, query languages, focusing on keyword search, tend to keep you stuck here. Next, we have the proactive column. In this stage, observability becomes a daily tool, not just an emergency fix. You're building dashboards and watching trends. You're detecting anomalies, and you're using observability to understand your systems in motion and detecting things before they happen. DataPrime plays a critical role here. Our schema on read and streaming ingestion means that you can explore any data without reconfiguring schemas. We have built-in conflict resolution for this and validation mechanisms with our query language. And with the AI query assistant, even complex analysis becomes accessible. So at this stage, the proactive stage, instead of waiting for alerts, you're tracking error patterns by service and region over time. You're catching spikes before they escalate. Lastly, let's look at the creative column. Now, observability here evolves into a strategic asset. You design observability with business goals in mind. You're correlating deployments with conversion rates. You're tracking KPIs directly from your telemetry data. For example, a fintech company using transactional logs to detect fraud and improve user experience, all in real time. DataPrime enables this level of creativity by removing traditional data limitations. So you can reshape and join data on the fly. And you don't need to re-ingest or predefine the structure. So anyone, even non-engineers, can explore with context. So at this stage, it's not just about knowing what's happened, it's about shaping what happens next. So this is what makes DataPrime a catalyst, not just a companion. From reactive to proactive, it's easier to explore, group, and analyze, not to search. From proactive to creative, the schema on read and real-time transformation let you extract business value from technical data. There's no need for engineering middlemen. There's real-time analytics at query time, unified logs in business context, accessible to every team, not just DevOps. So where is your team at today? You don't have to move through these stages slowly. DataPrime helps you leap forward. The observability maturity model is a roadmap for growth, not just operationally, but organizationally. DataPrime accelerates this journey, helping teams move from searching logs to shaping outcomes. In the next module, we'll compare DataPrime to traditional query languages like SQL, SPL, and KQL, and show you where it shines most. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next episode.